This video walks you through how to fill out my tax return W-2 in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening your tax return so you are on the main return screen. Once your return is open, go to the Federal section, then select Income. In the Income area, find Wages and Salaries, shown as W-2, and click Review to open that section. On the W-2 summary page, you will see any W-2 forms already listed in your return. If the form you need is already there, click Review next to that W-2 to continue entering or checking the details. If you are adding a new form, select Add another W-2 instead, and TurboTax will open a blank W-2 entry screen. Next, enter your employer information exactly as it appears on the form. This includes your employer's EIN, the employer name, street address, zip code, city, and state. If your W-2 includes a control number, enter that as well. Since these fields identify the employer record, it is important to match the form as written before you click Continue. After that, move through the income and tax fields using the amounts from boxes 1 through 14 on your W-2. Enter wages, federal income tax withheld, Social Security wages, Social Security tax, Medicare wages, and Medicare tax exactly as shown. Continue with any box 12 entries by selecting the code and entering the amount that goes with it. Then complete the box 13 checkboxes if they apply to your form, and enter any box 14 information as listed. The goal here is to copy each value directly from the paper or electronic W-2 without changing labels, amounts, or codes. Once those entries are complete, continue to the state and local tax section. Fill in boxes 15 through 20 using the same line-by-line approach. Enter the state, your employer's state ID number, state wages, and state income tax withheld. If your W-2 includes local tax details, enter the local wages, local income tax, and locality name in the matching fields. If a local section does not apply to your form, leave it as shown and continue. Before saving the W-2, review each section carefully for accuracy. Compare the employer details, box amounts, codes, and tax information against your original W-2 and make sure everything matches. Pay close attention to box numbers that contain similar tax amounts, since those are often the fields people misread. When the information matches your form, click Continue to save the entry. If you have more than one W-2, return to the summary area and select Add another W-2. Repeat the same process for each additional form until all of your W-2s have been entered. When you are finished, continue with the rest of your tax return. Your W-2 information is now entered in TurboTax and saved in your tax return.